Okay. We'll have inserting tables. So I'll just start a new file here. Okay, to insert table, you could find it under the Insert tab. You have choose here table. Right away, as you choose table, you could set it up. I mean, number of columns and rows could be right away set up by simply dragging on specified lines. Let's say we have 5 by 3. Okay, 5 by 3. You figure on top of the live preview, you see there 5x3. So that is 5 by 3. I'll click it here. And now you had inserted. You could also use the contextual design for table. Wherein you have there different designs to choose from. ASUS design. So, iba-ibang design ng table. So this one is, we have grid lines that divides the column and row. So ganun lang. Let's say you wanted to make a column. For instance, this one. Column A, you wanted to widen the space that corresponds on this page. So what you do is you use the
Kay Ruth Vergara, ma'am.
Hay, ano na? Tawaan ni quiz?
Oo, nang ano ko naman quiz it November.
Okay. Exam. Natawan ko taray mag-exam ni. Ano nga ni makaroon December 9. Okay. Ang permaharang permaharang.
Thank you.
So to do that, you have here, you use the ruler for columns in order to stretch or to fit certain headings within a column. So to display the ruler, you could find it under View tab, then you check check mo lang yung ruler. Okay. Then, for instance, here in column, have entertainment. And you wanted to extend the column width, so you just drag it on the column heading. And the rest, okay. Ayan. Siyempre, pag extending mo di karaya, the column B, the rest would also fit in. So, ganun lang siya. Next is inserting. Okay, inserting charts. So it's just the same to insert a chart. Chart in research work is also important as a representation of tabular data. We insert under the tab, then you choose chart here. We have several choices of chart representation. Ayan. Trans column, line. Area, X, Y, scatter. So, madami tayong choices dito. So, column lang muna. There. So, this is example. Nag-isa lang pala yung column. Line, column. Yan. Let's use this one. Let me click OK. Sometimes, if you had this questionnaire coming from Excel, I mean, doon nyo tinabulate sa Excel. You could also import that within Microsoft Word as a chart. So, ito, nakikita nyo, we also, yung dialogue, for Excel is also within the Microsoft Word for you to be able to edit yung mga content na nandito. So, ito is just a sample kasi wala akong data as basis ng aking chart. So, category, yung label, and you have for series 1 to 3. So, itong nasa gilid at saka nasa taas are just headings or label, wherein the real data is found dito. Ito sa intersection na to, which is an intersection of series and category. So, for category 1, series 1 have 4.3. Andito siya, category 1, tapos series 1, which is the blue section. Okay, category 1. So, ito to imam, 4.3. Then, series 2 niya is 2.4, which is colored orange. And then, series 3 is 2, which is colored gray. We could also edit this data, like, kung mag-edit kita 8 resources, dito, sa Excel. Let's say you don't want to, pwede kang magdagdag, ha? Pwede kang mag-delete. So, dito lang siya. Huwag kang mabimana or erase kita mana. Kung gusto mo mag-erase, erase dito. Select it here. And then, drag up. Okay. So, even if category 4 still exists within Microsoft Word, but then you could no longer, Microsoft Word within the dialog, but then you could no longer find it within your chart. Tignan niyo, wala na category 4. Kasi ganyan kung mag-delete tayo. Yan, magdagdag, stretch mo lang kay Dawong. Okay? And then, pwede kayong magpalit ng data. Let's say, dito is naging 7.5. Okay. Press enter. It gets updated. You see? It gets updated. Dito, pinalitan mo. Make it 10. Okay. As you press enter, ayan, it also gets updated. So, ganun na. You could edit it here. Kung gusto mo magdagdag ng additional category, stretch mo lang to, ha? Extend, click, and drag pababa. Okay. Then, kung nakita nyo, at siya nagpapinit sanda, giving you the chance to occupy those freed up space. Something like that, category 5, 3, 5, and 6. You see, ganun lang. Stretch lang to, kung gusto mo magdagdag, ang ibalik kung gusto mo delete. And then, click X. X there to stop the editing part. So, ayan na siya. And then, since it is an object, you could choose the entire thing. And then, again, pag nag-resize kita, it objects such as chart, always use the corner side. Ayan. And then, ano pa, what else could you do with this one? You could also set the, the text wrapping na. Okay, text wrapping. Design, references, all the things. So, lahat ng mga object pwedeng text wrap. Next is inserting screenshots. There are two types of screenshot in Microsoft Word. It could be an entire screen or it could be just part of the screen. This position here, press enter twice. So, step 1, click the insert tab. Then you choose screenshot. Yan. Meron tayong dalawang klase ng screenshot na ito is the entire screen, meaning the entire Microsoft Word, or another screen is open now kasi I am using Zoom. So, naka-open si Zoom. Okay, we choose this one. Okay, so that is the entire screen window of Zoom. Press enter, insert it again. Now we choose screen clipping. Now, as you do that, ayan, parang nag-deactivated the screen, meaning you could choose just a portion or just a segment of the screen, just like sa mga manual, if you create manual on how to use or how to, how to, a demo on how to use or how to operate Microsoft Word, for instance, so you choose an icon, so yan lang. That is clipping. Diba? Try it again, insert, then you choose screenshot and screen clipping. Okay, then you wait for a while hanggang sa parang na-disable yung screen. That is the time you could now choose your window segment. So, yun lang. So, if you wanted to have a copy of the entire window, so screenshot lang and choose the window. So, lahat ng naka-open na window, let's say, i-open. So, kahit anong window na gusto mo, as long as it is open, you could have a screenshot. Next is inserting online video on a document. So, bookmarks na nandito, online video. How do you do that? Inserting online video on a document. Press enter and we click insert parent. Then online video. Now we wait for a while as it loads on your screen. Iba-iba ato ng online video. Iba't link ha. This is video. So we have a dialogue and you could choose either we embed video coming from Bing or YouTube. So halimbawa dito sa YouTube, yan, anong online video yung gusto mong insert? Probably you should have an idea kung ano yung gusto mo. Let's say, mail merge. Okay. As you press enter, dito yung mga video that you could do. Let's say you choose this one. Okay. Kailangan nyo lang tandaan na ito ay galing sa isang resource person which is Kevin Stratford. Ibig sabihin, pag merong condition like this, diba? Alam niyo na, copyrighted, you should ask permission to be able to use that in a discussion for a class such as ours. Hindi lang basta-basta kukuha ng video, ha? Ayan yung kanya itsura ng clip. Now, you could say that. It's just a sample, so wait for a while again as it loads coming from the net. Okay. For collaborative work, okay lang naman yun. You need the soft copy, di ba, version. Another is we insert hyperlinks in a document. So, dito, ito yung sinasabi ko na kaibahan. Dito, you just leave Microsoft Word dialog to choose a video for you. Dito naman, if it is a link, let's say a video also coming from YouTube, you should open, syempre, your browser, and then you go directly on the YouTube video. Kunin mo muna siya. Okay, right now, YouTube is loading. So, kukuha muna tayo ng video kung ano yung gusto natin. Link ha, inserting a link in Microsoft Word document. Okay, sino ito? Ivana. Say ito, Alawi pala. Ivana. Link. So, enter. Okay, ganito yung itsura. Control niya ay parang click the link. Kamu guys, no? Hello?
Copy ka, ma'am?
Mabatian, ma'am.
Hello?
Choppy ka, ma'am.
Gulay. Wait lang. Bana, my God. Sangag game mo. What else? Ano niya ni? Lipat ako sa ginaklase. Inserting. Maganda, taga-sabat ang student. What is happening?
Copy ka ba, ma'am? Hindi, batian, ma'am.
Hi, Pauline. Pero nakikita niyo the video. Ay, nakikita niyo, I mean, the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Basta nakikita niyo the screen. Labo, gid ni ako.
Eh, explain, ma'am.
Ako ni audio, ay kalabo, gid ah.
Duka-duwa-duwa.
Choppy, ma'am.
Why? Oh, why? Kasi ako nabi nga, ako ni focus, ay kung ito ako maggamit sa computer lab, uwa nga ni ako Microsoft Word 2016. Kaya gindagan ako ng laptop dahil iya ako niya 2016. Now, the problem man, do connector it ako nga laptop, uwa it connector do ako nga laptop, it direct gid ba nga connection. Okay, on yung video. Uwa ako direct ang connection tagi na port baga nga idtom ko kata i-plug ang laptop. Wala akong ganon. Akong laptop kasi is just cater with Wi-Fi na connection niya do as in super choppy gid ang limog. Utod-utod.
Yes, ma'am.
Kain na, ma'am.
You know what? Kaina, hayakon nga headset iya ta sa idagom sa kakabit-bit ko kaina, di ba? Ginitbit ko naginosoy ako it section nga may signal. Wala ako nasuksok ra akong headset. Yun. Pero makaron okay yun mata.
O yun, ma'am.
Ang ani ako
Yes,
na
ma'am.
panghugasan yung tang iya sa guwa. Okay, next. Sino niya ni kita? Inserting
Link.
a
Link,
comment. Tapos na, di ba? Sa link.
Aywan, eh. Batian, ma'am. Kain na.
Inserting a link. if you wanted to insert, kasangagan, yun ako kay Ivana pa man, nagtapos ay, if you wanted to insert a link coming from any site, let's say sa YouTube, you have to search for that site, or, halimbawa, ito, Veya. Kita nyo yung screen? So, ito, halimbawa,
Yes, ma'am.
yung Angelica with Bea na yan. Ito siya. I just select or highlight the address in the URL or address section. Copy this one. Ayan. Copy and then switch back to Microsoft Word. There. And Control B to paste. And then press Enter. Ayan na siya. Now, you know that you are doing the right thing. If you mouse over the link, you could find Control plus click to follow link. Ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. Another is inserting a comment. Comment is important for a research document wherein most probably madaming members, wherein each of the member has been delegated a task such as, let's say, ikaw, Marcelino, would be working on the introduction, then Ashley would be working on chapter 1, chapter 2, and then as a team leader, you will be the one who's going to edit the resources. And for example, if some part of the resources has to be something like edit uli or modify uli, yun yung purpose kung bakit meron tayong comment. Halimbawa, ito is a title. Ito yung introduction. Introduction. Let's say, long document ito. What you do is you just select the words and then you click insert and then comment. So right now, you could find here sa parang right margin ng ating Word document, a section wherein it looks like this, client, a few seconds ago. So dito, bagon ko abimana Ashley, edit this part, or elaborate more on this part, edit, or elaborate examples. Something like that. Like 2 paragraphs, sabi mana. Like, add 2 paragraphs. Okay. So, another is, like dito, gusto mo magdagdag, di ba? Siyempre, dapat may text para may madagdag. Okay, all you have to do is select the text and then choose insert comment. Ayan, Marcelino, your task is, so something like that, that. That's how you insert comment. Next is headers and footers. Okay, ito is another important thing with Microsoft Word. Headers and footers, yung mga purpose nito is maglalagay, yung pinaka-common na purpose ng headers and footers is page number, title ng document, author, or other things. So, what we do is, we click insert then we choose header here, wherein you have several options for header. Header sa ibabaw top margin. Footer mata is just below the bottom margin. So, sa taas, okay, dito for instance, ayan. Okay. So, ayan siya. Pwede mong ilagay dito yung title ng document. Diba? Ano, niraya nga ra? Demo lecture. And then here, we insert like page number or any section ato niya document. Pwede ka mo record naka-insert it page number. Tap play number. You have here several choices for your page number. Ay! Oh no. Okay. Sa footer, ay magad to. My gosh, what did I do? Okay, at least may naon kita sa footer. You could edit that section also. You could type your name here as an author. like the ones we had on our notes, compiled by, okay. So, ganun siya. Madami kayong pwedeng ilagay dito na information since you have several options. So, for example, you may want to check your margin. Kasi sinabi ko nga, yung iyong header ag footer is provided on top, sa taas pa. Kung sino mong top margin sa babaw pagid karon. So, for this document, yung ating, escape ko anay ha. Yung ating margin, okay, I'm checking on the margin, is one do top, no man the bottom, row left, ag row right. So, I'll also check the settings. So, okay, edit header. So, dito, makikita nyo, dito sa taas na part, that your header from top is 0.49, your footer from bottom is 0.49. Ibig sabihin, pasok na pasok siya sa banga. Dapat hindi imong mag 1.25 ha, ay kung 1 do imong margin, ay masugod rin, ma-overlap rin imaw sa aton nga document part. So, dapat ito imaw, kung 1 do margin, like ito yung margin, o yan, may line siya, so, do 0.49, hay, kalahati. So, nandoon siya sa taas pa ng margin. Yung dito rin sa ilalim, 1 din yung ating margin. So, yung bottom part is 0.49 din. So, pasok din siya. So, that's all right. So, we close the footer section. Next. Next topic is inserting page number. Ay, ito yan eh. We had just inserted page number. By the way, yung page number could be inserted sa taas or sa ilalim. Next is inserting text box. Inserting text from a file. At harat arumad ayad. Inserting text from a file. Ihabol ko to nga lang. May file ba ako dito? Okay. Yung ginagawa natin palagi na copy-paste, i-open natin na itong file, tapos i-copy ag i-paste ran, especially kung nag-submit man na si Marcelino, chapter 1, introduction, si Ashley, hay inyong obra ko, i-open do introduction nga to, i-open do chapter 1, tapos i-copy ag i-paste na yan all together. Yung shortcut niyan is insert nga, then you choose text, sa inyo to. Hindi ko siya makita, insert text, wait lang. Inserting text from another file. So, insert object. Okay. Dito, position here. Then, there is object. Insert footer. Eto, insert object. Okay. I'll just wait for a while. Insert object. Then, text from file. You choose text from file. Okay, as it loads, we search for the file that we wanted to insert. Let's say from my flash drive. Okay, we have here Atsara. Then, I click insert. Tignan nyo. So, everything within that file gets inserted na hindi nyo na kailangan mag-copy and paste. So, we'll just wait for a while as it loads. Ayan. O, diba? O, diba? You see? Very nice. Ayan. We do it again. We insert another file hanggang sa maubos yung oras. Insert. Then you choose object. Text from file. Okay, what else do I have here? C9 quiz. Ayan. Then insert. Inyo galera. Ayan. Ito yung mga quiz nyo last time. O, diba? Very nice.
30 seconds, ma'am.
Alin? Bye na. Ano to?
30 seconds lang, ma'am.
Yan eh, bye-bye na.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.